hair with me and Moyoko. So what's inside the box? Well, first off, we have their 32-inch extra long hair color, which I'm so excited to use because I can never find a hair color long enough with long hair. Then we have their 10-in-1 leave-in treatment. Then their Magic Mist bonding protector, because you always need a hair protector before you use any heat. This is what she looks like. Let's plug her in. Notice this little stand so it doesn't have to touch any of the countertops because it is going to be super hot. So when you plug her in, you have your 3 little buttons. We're going to switch to 200 degrees. Let's open up my hair. Let's brush it out and then put in some heat protectant. I have very naughty hair, but this is going through pretty well. This is the before. We're going to use some of their Magic Protective Mist. Hold this for 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and drop. Let it cool down for a bit. Let's drop it. How beautiful. Look at how thick this barrel is. You can use nice big chunks. This side of my hair is done. How pretty. Compared to this. Then we're going to brush it out as soon as we're done with the other side and see what we got. Treatment is in. It smells amazing. Because it literally takes 5 minutes to do each side of my head. Wow.